powerful storm swept through China's southern Guangdong province, bringing exceptionally strong winds. Coastal areas, including the city of Maoming and surrounding towns, were hit the hardest. Wind gusts reached extreme speeds, comparable to the early stages of a typhoon. Local residents described the wind howling around buildings and shaking window frames. Furniture was blown off balconies, and lightweight structures were tossed through the streets. Authorities issued an official storm warning several hours before the winds struck. For safety reasons, schools and several public institutions were closed. Public transport reduced operations due to hazardous road conditions. Fallen trees and scattered debris caused congestion on the roads. Several bus routes were temporarily suspended. Power lines were damaged in some districts. Utility crews immediately began restoration efforts. Street signs, lighting poles, and awnings sustained the most noticeable damage. Along the coast, the wind whipped up clouds of dust, reducing visibility for drivers. Some buildings lost parts of their roofs or exterior cladding. Law enforcement blocked off access to particularly dangerous zones. Citizens were advised to remain indoors whenever possible. A wave of storm footage quickly spread online. Videos showed scooters being overturned and trees ripped from the ground. Several vehicles were damaged by falling objects. Fortunately, no fatalities or serious injuries were reported. Thanks to the rapid response of emergency services, more severe consequences were avoided. Meteorologists announced that the worst of the storm had passed. Wind speeds are expected to decrease gradually in the coming hours. Meanwhile, emergency crews are working throughout the region. They are clearing roads and restoring damaged infrastructure. Municipal officials began assessing the material damage. Residents received emotional support and assistance with recovery efforts. People in Guangdong responded to the situation with patience and resilience. The storm served as a reminder of the importance of being prepared for sudden natural events.